Hi, I'm Shannon from Home Alchemy Living, and today I'm going to show you how to use a Talk 2 drywall sander. The sander is great for large areas other than drywall that need sanding, like this nasty bathroom ceiling. We're renovating the bathroom, and there was some kind of stucco-style plasterwork that really needed to go. Here's an image of the sander itself, and then there is another part that has the vacuum hose extension. There is an opening at the top of the sander handle for the vacuum attachment. To lock it into place, you're going to crank the silver lever towards you to widen the opening so the vacuum pipe attachment can slide in. Once the attachment is in place, tighten the lever by cranking it forward and away from you. And here's an image here of the sander, hose, vacuum all put together. Last but not least, you're going to remove any old worn out sanding pads by simply peeling off the old one and sticking a new pad on. It attaches kind of like Velcro. Before starting, you're definitely going to need a mask, a full eye protector, goggles that have a shield at the top of the glasses, and gloves. Here's a few pictures of the ceiling after I used the sander, and it worked out great, blasted away a lot of those chunks of plaster. For the tough to reach spots and corners, I used a mouse sander. And that's it. Ceiling done, check. Now on to shopping for flooring. And because he's so cute, I thought I'd drop a pic of Hagrid, who was a little salty that he couldn't oversee this particular project. But anyway, thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment down below.